happens when Jesus walks with Mary by his side? What happens when Jesus walks with Mary by his side? They raise up the humble while the mountains shake, and feed the hungry, the fish from the lake. That's what happens when Jesus walks with Mary by his side. Hallelujah, Mary by his side. Magdalena, Mary by his side. When the woman in me finds a Prince of Peace walking by my side. When the woman in me finds a Prince of Peace walking by my side, we go hallelujah till the mountains ring, 'cause we make the children laugh and sing. When the woman in me finds a Prince of Peace walking by my side. Jesus and Mary packed up the families and went down to the shore, built a big bonfire and smoked the fish, and invited about 1,000 folks more. We all walked in the water and we came out clean, and then we all walked home again. That's the story how Jesus and Mary went down to the shore. Families and go down to the shore, build a big bonfire and smoke the fish, and invite 7 billion folks more. Start a train of giving that will never end, and then we'll all walk home again. That's the story how the families got together and put an end to war. Hallelujah. Put an end to war. Put an end to war. I'm an old country farm wife. All my life I worked the land with my family. We made the old place pay, till an agent in a fancy car come to kick us off our farm, sell our fields, sell our home, and go away. My granddaddy's daddy, he worked on the land. My grandmother's mother by his side. Our hands are rough from working, and we're painted by the sun. And this time we are staying. We give back to the land, Ma never wastes a crumb. Every critter, large and small, must have its meal. We're the answer to the question, Mama, where does food come from? And this time we are staying. My granddaddy's daddy, he worked on the land. My grandmother's mother by his side. Our hands are rough from working, and we're painted by the sun. And this time we are staying. My granddaddy's daddy, he worked on the land. My grandmother's mother by his side. Our hands are rough from working, and we're painted by the sun. And this time we are staying. Respectful to the agent, Pa shook the man's soft hand. I said, who's gonna grow the food and who's gonna tend the land? He said, food comes from overseas, and that's when we took our stand. And we said, this time we are staying. My granddaddy's daddy, he worked on the land. My grandmother's mother by his side. Our hands are rough from working, and we're painted by the sun. And this time we are staying. Our people walked the trail of tears from the land of Cherokee. Our people sailed from Ireland back in 1853, till we found a place to settle down, grow food, raise kids, live free. And this time we are staying.